This video lecture demonstrates the date command in Unix. The date command in Unix operating system is used to display the current system time and date. The output of the date command can be formatted with a sequence of format control characters preceded by a plus sign. The format of control characters start with a percentage symbol and are substituted by their values. The format string that starts with a plus character is given inside a pair of single or double quotes. Some of the most common formatting characters are %A represents the weekday name in abbreviated form, %A represents the weekday name in full form, %d represents the day of month, %m represents the month, %y represents the last two digits of a year, %H represents the hours, %M represents the minutes, %S represents the seconds. %T represents time as %H:, %M: %S. %D represents date as %m/%d/%y. %u represents day of week. %Y represents year in full form. %n represents new line. %t represents tab space. To demonstrate the date command, I have given the date command in $prompt. The system has displayed its date and time in complete details. Next, I have given the date command with formatting string. The formatting string starts with a single quote and plus character, then the text year is given, %y, then text month is given, %m, then text day is given, %d, and then single quote. Now as you can see the output, the word year is printed as it is, then %y is converted into year using 2 digits, then the word month is printed as it is, then %m is converted into a month number, then day is printed as it is, then %d has converted the day as a number, representing the day of the month. Next, I have given the date command with another formatting string. The formatting string starts with a single quote, then plus character. I have given the text date in capital letters, then colon, then %D, then %n, then again I have given the text time in capital letters, colon, then %T, single quote. As you can see in the output, the text date is printed as it is in capital letters, then %D is converted into a date in full format, giving the day of the month, month number and year. %n represents the new line character, hence the remaining output of the date command will be printed on the next line. As you can see, the text time is printed in capital letters, and then afterwards %T is converted into a time, giving the full format in the form hours, minutes and seconds. Again, the date command is given with the same formatting string. Instead of using single quotes, we have used now double quotes. Just to demonstrate, we can use either single quotes or double quotes in the formatting string of date command. Thank you.